Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to set or change your Gmail profile picture on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Gmail app and then log into your Gmail account. So let me find my Gmail app. Let me tap on this Google folder over here, and here I have this Gmail app. Let me tap on this, and you can see guys it's opened, and you can see I'm already logged into my Gmail account. Okay, if you haven't, just log in. Okay, and you can see guys here I have my profile picture in this Gmail app, and I want to change that. So in order to change or set your Gmail profile picture, what you need to do, you have to tap on your profile picture over here at the top right. So let me tap on this, and here I have this pop-up, and after that you have to tap on this manage your Google account link. Okay, and here I have this screen opened, and after that you have to tap on this personal info tab. So let me tap on this, and here I have this profile. Under this, here I have this photo. A photo helps personalize your account. So what you need to do, you have to tap on your profile picture over here, and here I have this pop-up profile photo. Your profile photo is visible to everyone across Google products. So if you change or set your Gmail profile picture, it will be visible to everyone across Google products like Google Play Store, Google Drive, YouTube, etc. Okay, so just tap on this set profile photo, this link. So let me tap on this, and I have another pop-up set profile photo, and here we have two options, take photo and choose photo. So if you tap on this take photo, it will open your camera app and you can take a picture and set your profile picture. Okay, but I want to select this second option, choose photo, because I want to select it from my gallery app. So let me tap on this choose photo, and here I have another screen, complete action using gallery, file manager and photos. So let me select this gallery. Okay, and here I have this photos tab selected. So I want to set this photo as my Gmail profile picture. So let me tap on this, and I have another screen, and on this screen guys you can adjust the photo according to your requirements by zooming or pinching. So let me adjust it. Okay, so this is fine, and after you're done guys, just tap on this accept button. So let me tap on this, it's setting profile photo, and you can see guys the changes not appeared over here. Okay, and also if I tap on this cross this link, and you can see we don't have the changes appeared over here also. Okay, and if I tap on this, you can see I have the changes over here. So let me tap on this cross link. So what you need to do guys, you have to close your Gmail app and then open it again. So let me close this Gmail app, let me open it again, and you can see guys we have changes appeared over here. Okay, and you can see the Gmail profile picture is now changed, and if I tap on this profile picture, you can see the change over here, and if I tap on this manage your Google account link, you can see the changes over here, and also if I tap on this personal info, you can see the changes over here. Okay, after that you can close your Gmail app if you want. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily change or set your Gmail profile picture on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.